All right, guys, we got Lavazza. This is their Super Crema medium roast whole bean coffee. And I have a treat for you. This stuff, oh, does it smell good. I'll tell you what, long story, we're gonna make it short here. This is one of the brands that got me interested in drinking coffee. I'm not sure what it was, but there's the essence of smell just hits all the notes and the taste just comes out, right? And it wasn't until I was older I started liking this, and this is one of those brands that really brought it to. I do like this, so I'll give you a couple things on here. Professional use, so it shows you how to weigh and what you're able to do with it, which is super nice. So if you want to do a single shot or a double shot, which is super cool. But this medium roast coffee, have I got a treat for you? I've already got it in my tuning over here. And I am needing to go ahead and grind some beans because we're going to make a good stuff. So I've already loaded this up, or this is what I have left over, and I get it by the big bag. So we have the 2.2 pound bag, 32 or 35.2 ounces, and I already have this loaded up. So I want to show you how it will make here. If you don't have one of these guys, man, you were missing out. Let's get over to 28. We're going to do a cold brew with it. And I'm looking for 10 ounces. And I'm going to show you how it grinds up, which you can see super easily in here. And the bean just is really, really good. And I don't think it loses its effects either, by no means. And you still get a solid pour coffee without any issues. So that's kind of like my favorite part about it. You get a solid pour of coffee, and you can see very good grind in here without any problems. And I'm definitely digging that. And that is on a 26, right? I'm sorry, a 28 when it comes to the grind. And you can see it grinds up extremely well without any problems. And man, does it smell delectable. Super excited about this stuff. Guys, Lavazza, I don't even know how to say it right. This stuff is my baby, and I'm definitely digging it. This is what hits the coffee pot every single day, whether it's a cold brew, whether we're going with a drip on machine down there or something like that. Definitely check out Lavazza.